Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can apply for Amazon Pay later. So firstly, click on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner, then scroll down, then click on payments and bookings, then choose Amazon Pay. So as you can see, there is an option called Amazon Pay later, get started. What you have to do is just simply click on get started. Now click on the option sign in 60 seconds, click on that. Now it will ask you for some of your personal information, just provide it. So after you're done filling up your personal details, just press continue. Now it is currently processing and it will evaluate your profile and generate how much you can spend on Amazon Pay or how much limit you will have for Amazon Pay. So as you can see, I'm eligible for 10,000 rupees. So that's how you can apply for Amazon Pay. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.